everyone, you're welcome to another beautiful vlog. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. To all my returning subscribers, you are highly welcome. Actually, this is last week's vlog, so just sit tight and watch. So this is Thursday morning. We were at the insurance office. Being here in Germany, the first thing you have to do is your health insurance. As in, you must not joke with that, you must have health insurance. So we are here to sort out some paperwork, concerning my health insurance. I was there with my husband, and the lady over there is the one taking care of my insurance registration. Health insurance here in Germany is very, very important, because when you are registered with an insurance company, it covers all your health matters. So it is very important you have one. This is a public laundry. You won't believe what happened to us. For over a week, our washing machine got spoiled. You can imagine what that means for a family of 5. And here in Germany, it's not a place where if your electronics or your appliances get spoiled, you go and repair it. Sometimes the money you will use to repair it is even enough for you to go and buy a new one. So most times when it gets spoiled like that, people just do away with them and go get new one. I think that's what most people do. Yeah, we just okay, the clothes are much, what do? We now decided to go to the public laundry. This is the public laundry for, anyone to go in there to wash. You just pay in your money using the machine here to pay your money for the washing and drying. They have the medium machine, they have the larger one, the large size one. We were not able to do it during the week because the kids, are in school. We need to take them to school, go pick them back up from school. And so we just decided to do it at the weekend. So we spent over €100 to get all these clothes to be washed and dried. So sometimes it's even better for you to have your washing machine, because going to the public laundry to wash your clothes, the money you will spend is enough for you to buy a washing machine. When buying the washing machine, you spend about €300 to €400. So you can imagine yourself, if you are using the public laundry, you are going there every weekend and you spend such amount of money. You see, it's just a waste. So we're just doing this for just the meantime. We are going to be getting another one soon. So this is Saturday, and yesterday was very hectic. Washing all those clothes, drying, taking them back home was just a big stress for me. So today we decided to go for shopping, and we are doing the shopping in a particular shop called Metro. Metro is a very big shop here, closer to where we live. They sell stuffs in wholesale prices. So sometimes when we want to buy stuff for the house that will last us for a longer time, we come here to buy in bulk. We come here to buy in wholesale prices so that it can last, very long, being a family of 5. So we are here now to get some stuffs to stock up the house. And also we are planning, after doing our shopping here, we'll also go to another shop where they sell electronics, to look out for another washing machine. We just have to replace the washing machine as soon as possible. We don't have to spend such amount again going to the public laundry. So after we are done shopping here, we'll be heading to the electronic shop where they sell appliances, washing machine, dishwasher, and lots more, to look for a good washing machine for the house. So here we are in the electronic shop, but unfortunately we couldn't find a very big size washing machine. The ones they have here are very small. We want a big one, and this time around we want to get the one that we wash and dry. because we are getting into winter. Most times when it's winter like that, it's very difficult for clothes to get dried, and it's giving us some stress, like that. So we just want to get a washer and a dryer washing machine, so it will make life easy for us. So the ones they have here are small, and apart from that, they don't even have the washing machine that also have a dryer. So we'll be heading to another shop to look out for that. Whenever we go out for family shopping, this is what I do with this little madam here. Because if you don't put her inside the shopping wagon, she will stress the hell out of your head. So the best thing is just to put her in there, give her some juice or snacks to be eaten while you are shopping. If not, this girl will be running around, turning you around, and the shop attendants will start complaining. So what I do is just to put her in there, so she'll sit down there until we are done, for me to have my peace of mind shopping. So this is Monday. We were not able to make it at the electronic shop last weekend, to get the washing machine as planned, because by the time we finished from the shop, buying the foodstuffs and other things, it was already late. So we decided to do that today. The kids are in school, so we are getting some snacks for the kids. We'll be picking up the kids, then from there, we'll all go together to the electronic shop to get the washing machine. Finally, we are here at the electronic shop. It's a very big shop, they sell a lot of stuff, beautiful stuffs, kitchen utensils, lighters, fridge, and lots more. So we will just go to the section where they have the washing machine, so we can search for the washing machine that we need. And here we go, guys. We have finally found a very good washing machine. It is spacious, it is big, and it also washes and dries. So this is exactly what we are looking for. And again, the price is reduced. I think they are on sale. We were just lucky to meet it at this time. So here we are bargaining, as in trying to pay for it. After paying, there will be, one thing in Germany, after buying something, you don't always take it immediately. Especially when it has to do with electronics or appliances that they have to come and fix. You have to book appointment, and that appointment, sometimes it will be in 2 weeks, in 1 month before they will come and fix it. So we have just done that. They will be coming in 2 weeks time. Can you imagine? So that means we have to go back to the laundry to wash our clothes for that week. They are coming in 2 weeks time to fix it up. So we're just trying to get other stuffs here before we'll be going back home. So at last they are here. The electricians are here to fix the washing machine. This is a very big relief. Don't pray for your washing machine to get spoiled here in Germany, because it's a big stress. Here in Germany, you cannot hang your clothes outside. That's why having the washing machine is very, very important. Every home must have it. I thank God that it has been done and everything is working on well. They fixed it and voila. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really do appreciate. Please remember to like and drop a comment. See you again in my next vlog. Bye bye.